In this video, I want to talk about this vinyl record display frame. You can put the album and have the album cover right here and then pull the record out and show some of the record. What I'm going to do is use this record. Obviously, you can use whatever you want, but I want to use this one because it has a really cool color. So it's going to look something like that. I wish I took better care of my records, but this would be a good way to just, if you're a collector or something, to get your records brand new or whatever you want to do and preserve them and display them. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If I flip it over, you'll see you have all these little tabs right here that just pop out like that. So you want to go around and release all those. It's just like a regular picture frame. In fact, you have your hangers here, but you also have them up here. So when you take this apart and put the record in, just keep in mind where those hangers are so you don't accidentally put it in upside down and have to do it all over again. And then take this out. And we want to be careful because this is actual glass, which is nice. And when it shipped, it was in perfect shape. It did not break or anything. Take this off. We're going to leave this in here so that it kind of holds this record in place. If you need to clean this, if there's any debris or anything, now's a good time to clean this. It's just a little bit of cardboard. That's okay. And then again, you can see this right here is the top. So I want to make sure that I put my record like this. And that's going to be perfect. This is a double album, but it's not super thick like some can be. So I think this is going to work out good. I changed my mind. This is a cool album, but I didn't realize I could put such a thick album in there, so I'm going to use this one. This one's thicker, and it's one of my favorite movies, and I really wanted to display this, but I didn't know if it was going to work. But as you can see, it goes up a little bit past this cardboard, but there's plenty of room to run the backer past and hook it in here. So this is what I'm going to use, especially because the vinyl looks so cool. So let me get this set up carefully. The sleeve back in here. And then I'll set this up where I think I'm going to do it with the label up like that. Now rotate it. Let's see how it's going to go. Carefully. Kind of like that. Cool. So there's a little kind of border there, so that should block off, like you can see here. Make a nice border around this. We can put the backer back on. It's right side up. Put this on. Start locking these in. Just turning them just like a regular picture frame. I gotta bend in a little bit because this is thick, but this is gonna work. I'm excited. I really wanted to display that other one, but I didn't know how. Let's see, the reveal. That's cool. A couple pieces of cardboard in there, so I'm gonna open it up and get those out of there. The good thing about this is it's really easy to take this out, so even if I wanted to listen to it or if I wanted to change this out with a different album, it's really easy to do. I'm just going to carefully vacuum this up without scratching the glass. These little pieces. Very cool. Now we just got to hang it up. There you go. That looks pretty good for now, until I get more albums. But pretty easy to put together, pretty easy to hang. Yeah, hope this video helps.